everyone, it's Rie, excited to partner with FX Shōgun on today's dish. Konpeitō. This very exciting series set in Japan in the year 1600. This is an interesting time in Japan's history. The country is fractured, it's broken up, there are many clans and 5 regions. Keep a very fragile peace while the Taiko's heir is still a child. The Council of Regents are running the country until he is old enough to do it himself, but some of them get greedy for power. I won't spoil the rest, but there is lots of mystery, action, intense battles, some romance, and lots of samurais. And one of the things in Shōgun that inspired today's recipe, this is a time when Europeans are landing in Japan. Shōgun takes place in 1600 at the end of the Sengoku period. I was inspired to make Konpeitō, candies that were brought by Portuguese missionaries in the Sengoku era. Konpeitō is this colorful, spiky, crunchy candy. For me, it is not an everyday candy. It is more expensive compared to regular candies, so it is more for special occasions like getting them on Girls' Day called Hinamatsuri or receiving them as a gift. Konpeitō was introduced to Japan almost 460 years ago during the Sengoku era. I've never made it before, so let's see if I can create it. Let's get started. The flavor is plain sugar if you eat white one. Purple one tastes like, I almost said purple. Purple one tastes like grapes. Green one tastes like green apple. And orange one tastes like orange. So if you take a closer look, Konpeitō is very spiky. I don't know why it's spiky. It's science. The ingredients are very simple, but I also found the simpler the ingredients are, the product is more difficult to make. So I'm a little bit nervous, but the ingredients are sugar, imaginary water, rock sugar, 460 years ago. They were using sesame seeds or poppy seed as a core, and they coated sugar syrup and make it bigger and bigger. And it took 2 weeks. I want to make it within a day. I'm a busy mom. I'm using a little bit bigger thing for my core. For color, I have lavender syrup. It has a pretty purple color. And this one is elderflower. I hope it's not gonna be brown. So now we're gonna make simple syrup. I will need 150 grams of sugar, or maybe it's all of it. Water, 100 grams. Perfect. Let's make simple syrup. Sugar, water, turn on the heat. Just melt sugar. Super simple syrup. Bring it to a boil. It looks like all the sugar melted, so I think this is good to go. First, I'm going to add rock sugar. Turn on the heat. I'm going to scoop the sugar a little bit. And once it bubbles up, I'm going to coat rock sugar with this syrup. Coat the rock sugar candy. So I'm going to repeat this process 125 times. I don't know how many, until it has the spikes. Repeat. I always wonder, whoever makes anything first, like Konpeitō first time, how did you come up with this? Like, who is the first person who decided to eat sea urchin? Pineapple, chestnut. My matcha whisk is kind of breaking already. I'm losing confidence. Look, this whisk is already kind of sad looking. It almost looks like an overused toothbrush. This can be like a fun live streaming, just like watch me suffer. But I'm losing bunch of bamboo, how do you call it? Bamboo hair? Bamboo brush? Bamboo what? So I'm going on my 20s, getting interesting shapes. Oh, look at this baby Konpeitō. Do we need a microscope? let's try another 10 and see where we are at. So this is my 30th time. So I start seeing tiny pieces of sugar and I'm wondering that something gonna stick with the bigger sugar and makes Konpeitō spiky. I used almost all of my simple syrup, so I'm going to make it more. My whisk is falling apart, so I'm gonna switch to chopsticks. Let's do it. Tired. Do I look tired? Sun is almost setting too. This is maybe, I also forgot. I think it's about 40. There are too many sugars in my pan and it's kind of becoming very crowded, so I'm going to remove some. But I feel like this byproduct, look, I think if I keep doing this for like another 3 days, I'm pretty sure I can make Konpeitō. Oh, so much sugar on my floor. I hope I don't get ants. Can't wait to vacuum my kitchen. Yeah, like this. I'm gonna start adding the color. So I have 2 different flavors. Personally, I love floral flavor, so lavender would be really nice. Start bubbling. Doesn't give me purple color at all. I'm gonna run to the store and get food color. I'll be right back. So I got food color. I think I'm gonna start with yellow. This in a bowl, diluted with sugar water, and do the process. Alright, bubble. Turn off heat. Oh yes! What a long day of making candy, but I did it. I don't think it was very successful. I will give myself 60 of 100. It's D, but it's not F. So yellow is mine, and this is store-bought. And what I'm proud of is rock sugar was square. This is how it started. This is how it ended. All right, I'm gonna eat. Initially, I wanted to flavor it as a lavender and lavender color as well. Color disappeared and the flavor is just the sugar. But crunchiness is 100% crunch. This is special candy. And this is more expensive than the regular candy. It's because it was made by special skilled artisans by using like traditional method. So I have so much respect. Moral of the story is something you should just leave it to the professionals.
Hope you enjoyed this video and you are as excited as I am to watch FX Shōgun premiering Tuesday, February 27 on Hulu. New episodes every Tuesday.
See you next time. Bye. I didn't even try.